Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the difference between in and not in operator. Let's see how we can do this. Let's select the database, click on new query, and then select one of the table we have created during the tutorial, customers. Select the star from customers. Let's quickly execute it and then create two queries here. One is for in and then where, let's put here where customer name in, and then specify customer name here in the comma separated value. Let's put here, and then similarly just copy paste this one where customer name not in. That means the customers who are not in the given values. Let's put here, let's say I don't want Mohan, Ramesh, just copy paste here, and Mike Luther from this table. And here I want to see the data Ram, and then let's say Igor I want to see, and Michael here I want to see these data. Or you can put just copy paste here and put this. Okay, then we will see the difference between the queries. Let's put together and select both of the query and click on execute. See what is happening here. Here we can see that in the first query this is customer in, so that means Mohan, Rakesh, Mike Luther will be coming as a result in first query. We can see that here, and here we have not in, that means Mohan, Rakesh, Mike Luther will not come in my next result. So here we can see that there is no Mohan, Rakesh and Mike Luther. So this is how we can use in and not in operator while showing the result. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.